Hello, welcome to the Multiple Income Funnel. My name is Justin. I am your sponsor. I made this video for you guys, for all my new people that are on my team to help you guys get started right. Some people come in and have questions on how to get started and what to do after they pay their $49 to get started. Okay, so first things first, you will log in. You'll log in to the Multiple Income Funnel. This right here is your back office, okay? So everybody gets this. It doesn't matter if you are, paid $49 to get started with the system, or if you paid the $350 for the annual to get started. We all get to use the same website, okay? So there's 4 easy steps that I need you guys to pay attention to, and make sure that you guys go through these. There's videos to explain everything to help you get through step by step by step. Okay, so this is what's great about this business. If you've never done affiliate marketing ever before, or you've never tried a multi-level marketing or anything like this, let me tell you, the training and what you get for your money is second to none. Okay, so $49 a month. You don't have to build a website because the website's already built for you. You don't have to build capture pages because the capture pages are already built for you. Your link that you will send out in your emails already done for you. If you aren't good at emailing people, and these are things that you might want to learn later on to help grow your business and grow your business a little bit faster. But when you first getting started, or if you're brand new to this, you don't have to do any of that. Okay, you can take your time to learn and learn in the training that we get to learn how to grow your business faster. Okay, if you just want to send your link out, put your link out every day over email, and that's all you want to do, and then you let the system follow up for you, you can do that too. Okay, so first things first, step number 1 is you're going to come here, you're going to click this video. Mac is going to explain a little bit about our Facebook group, what's in it, and about the community and why he put this together. It's to help new people getting started, to be able to help you guys, answer your questions. Okay. Sometimes your sponsors aren't always available, at the time that you may need us to be available. So that you can always go into the Facebook group, post your question in the Facebook group. Somebody in there within a matter of minutes will respond to your question to help you guys and to help you keep moving forward so that you can be successful in this business. Okay. So step number 1, join the Facebook group. Okay. Step number 2, set up your income streams. Okay. Income stream number 1 is the multiple income funnel itself. Either you pay $49 a month for that, or you pay $350 for the annual. Okay. With the multiple income funnel, what do you get? Okay, so what do you get with the multiple income funnel? You get your links that you get to promote. Okay, you have a traffic source where you can get the traffic to send your link to, so that you can feed your funnel. Okay, guys, this business, keep it real simple. This business is getting eyeballs to your site, letting the site do the automated follow-up for you to do the upsell. Okay, that's all we're doing. We're just getting eyeballs to the site. It doesn't matter if you are, just think about Amazon. They have products, right? Well, if they never get any eyeballs or anything to their site, what do they have? They have a warehouse full of stuff that nobody even knows that they have. Okay, you have a great system. You have something here that can help people. There are people out here every day looking for ways to make money online. We have a great system. We have a great system set up for beginners. People that are brand new and never done anything like this. This system takes the worry and takes all the headache out of it for you. Okay, so you don't have to do, like I said before, you don't have to build an email, or you don't have to build a web page. You don't have to know how to do emails, autoresponders, any of that stuff. Okay, you can learn how to use all that stuff as you're building your business. But when you're brand new, you don't need any of that stuff to get started. Okay, it's all in here for you. Okay, so step number 2, like I said, is setting up your income streams. Income stream number 1 is the funnel itself. You go here, click here. Mac will talk a little bit about the multiple income funnel, and I'm sure that you saw a little bit when you saw the first initial video. from Mac. Okay, he explains everything for you. Step number 2, click over here, sign up, join up for Easy One Up. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know, all these are optional. Okay, income stream number 2, 3, 4, and even the bonus income streams, they're all optional. So if you don't have a big budget, don't worry about it. Get started with income stream number 1. Promote your link through your emails. Let the system do the automated follow-up for you. You will receive $20 for everybody that comes in. Now you might be saying, well, $20, but guess what? After just 5 people, you're making $100 a month in residual income. Okay, and you can do that in a couple of days. So you can get started within, say today is Friday, by Monday, Tuesday of next week, you can already be earning online. If you've never even done a business or something like this online before, you can already be earning residual income up to $100 in residual income in a matter of a couple of days. Okay, people have done it. I've done it. It's not that hard. We just got to get your link out in front of people who are looking for ways to make money online. Now that starts to add up and that starts to build up. Okay, so as the more people that come in, boom, it starts to grow. Now all of a sudden you went from 100 a month in residual income to 200, 300 or more. Okay, in residual income, and that's not even counting the annual. When people sign up with the annual membership, that's $180 that you get right off the bat with the annual membership. So I mean, money. Income stream number 1, you can build a nice business off of income stream number 1. As you start to make the money, then you can jump over to Easy One Up, TextBot, Traffic Authority, if you can't afford these right away. Okay, income stream number 2 is Easy One Up. Just come right down here. Like I said, the videos explain everything for you. Come here, you click here, watch Easy One Up. It'll explain what you need to know about Easy One Up and about the service and what it is. And then also the compensation plan. Okay, so compensation plan goes from $25, or the packages that they have, all the way from $25 all the way up to $2,000. Whatever you come in at, whatever level you come in at, is the money that you will be able to make. Okay, when somebody joins in underneath you. So if you come in at the $25 level and somebody comes in at $25, you make $25. If you come in at $25, but somebody joins at the $2,000, that commission will pass you by, but that's okay, because as you start to build, you can always upgrade as your business gets a little bit more successful. Okay, so if you have the $2,000 off rip, get started with the $2,000. Make sure that that way you're covered for every level underneath you. Okay, I didn't have the $2,000 right away when I first got started. So I got started at a lower level, but then I was able to upgrade. Once I started making money with the system, I was able to upgrade in a short period of time to the higher levels. So now that I'm covered for all the levels that I need to be covered for in income stream number 2. Okay, income stream number 3 is TextBot, and what you'll do is here you're gonna watch this short little video right here, and then Mac is gonna redirect you to the creator of TextBot, and he will explain a little bit more of what TextBot is and how you can use TextBot to promote your multiple income funnel site or any other business that you might happen to be in, affiliate marketing business that you happen to be in, that you want to get eyeballs to your site. Okay, and then TT, targeted traffic. Okay, targeted traffic means people that are looking to make money online. We're not just sending getting clicks of people that are looking to shop at Amazon or anything like this. We are actually looking for people who are interested in making money online. So that's what the TT stands for, targeted traffic. Traffic Authority will give you the targeted traffic that you need to run your site. Okay, so now real quick, I'm going to touch on something. If you guys don't have a lot of money right away, this is my best suggestion for anybody who can't afford, thousands of dollars to get. What you want to do is, after you get started with the multiple income funnel, $49 a month, you can come right over here to the bonus income streams. Okay, the bonus income streams are my lead gen secret. with My Lead Gen Secret, this will allow you to generate 100 leads every 24 hours. So every day you get 100 leads. Once somebody joins, you promote you'll promote My Lead Gen Secret, so that once somebody comes in underneath you on My Lead Gen Secret, then you start to get 200 leads per day. Okay. Once you start getting 200 plus leads in per day, let's see. I'm going to jump out of this real quick and I'm going to show you guys. Okay. Come right here. Okay. So My Lead Gen Secret, we're in here. Okay. So I'm already in. All right. So I'm going to go to my mailing system. Okay. I'm just going to show you guys. Once you first get started, you can see. Okay. So I got started back on 7/21 when this came out for us. As a bonus income stream, I got started with this back then. 100 leads every day. Okay, once I first got started. Now, the initial cost is $60 to get started with this initially. Then it's $30 a month after that. So after the first initial cost, because I say pay the $60 because you're going to want to be able to get like the email swipes, the master email swipes, especially if you're brand new, so that you can just copy and paste the email with your link in there, and then you start sending that out to your funnel. Okay, so I would say right off the bat, join for, like I said, $60 to join, and then it's $30 a month, and then month after month, day after day, leads start coming in. Okay, so you can see first day 100 lead, 100 lead, 100 lead, all the way. Okay, kept getting my 100 leads. It didn't take me too long, probably what, 10, 12, 10 days maybe, if that, to get my to go from 100 leads a day to 200 leads. Okay, so it was shorter than that. Now 200 leads per day. Now I have 200 leads every day coming in. Okay, so as you start to go, you let this build up. Okay, you start to get at the end of the month either 3,000 or 6,000 leads at the end of the month. Okay, that starts to build. So after month number 2, you're either at 6,000 or you're at 12,000 leads that you have coming in. Okay, and then it just keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up from there. Okay, so if I go over here to my mailing system, and we'll see how many I have. You go to select all, and you can see now in just a short period of time, I can email 10,400 people my link. So so you guys, you get it? Do you understand? So now when I go to send out an email, and I send an email out with one of my capture pages that I get from the multiple income funnel, 10,000 plus leads, okay, that I'm sending it out. Boom, I blast it out once a day, because you can only do this once a day, as you see when you come down here. I can do this now because I had already sent one out, but they would, if I wasn't able to send an email, it will show you the time, the countdown clock from 24 hours all the way down to the time where you're actually able to send out your next email. Okay, so I can actually send out an email to my leads with my link. Okay, in here, 10,400 leads that I get to send to the multiple income funnel site. Okay, you can also check your stats. I love this because you can check your stats, so you can see what emails are actually being open, okay, and clicked on. All right, this is a numbers game. Okay, so the more eyeballs that you get to the site that you're able to send your link to, the faster that this starts to go, and the more sales that you start to get. Okay, so my recommendation is, if you don't have a whole lot of money, get started on the $49 a month, pay the $60 to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, and then it's $30 a month from there. So for $79 a month, under $80 a month, you can start running a business online. Okay, so let's go back to, we'll go back to the multiple income funnel. Here's your login page. We'll go into the login page. Now, after you get done setting up income streams 1, 2, 3, and 4, or whichever ones that you want to, you come here to step number 3. Set up your e-wallet. You need an e-wallet to get paid from income stream number 1, income stream number 4. Okay. Income streams number 2 and 3 are direct payments. So when you go through there, they will show you where you can put in like a PayPal, your Venmo, your Stripe accounts on those 2 right there. That's how you'll get paid through those. Income stream number 1, income stream number 4, you have to have an e-wallet set up so that you can get paid from them. The payouts, you get paid in this business every Friday, so once a week. You get paid monthly from your residual income, and you can also get paid daily from these 2 income streams that pay directly to you. Okay, so daily, weekly, monthly, you can get paid in this business. Okay, so follow the steps. Guys, it's simple. Follow the steps. Step number 1, click here, watch the video. Step number 2, set up your income streams. Watch the videos so that you know what you're paying for. Set up all the income streams. After you do that, step number 3, set up your e-wallet so that you can get paid. Step number 4, you come over here, you take a back office tour, okay, so that you see what you have in here. Mac was going to show you what you have, your email swipes, your different capture pages that you can use. Okay, so you come in here, you watch the little 10-minute video, and after that, then you click here, you start promoting, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so if you guys have any questions at all on getting started, or something didn't work on your setup or whatever, please let me know. Contact me. My information will be down below this video. I can't wait to work with you guys. Follow the steps, keep it simple, and you guys will be just fine.